using an Excel workbook as a relational database in Ultorg 1.9. So a relational database is a very flexible way to represent business data using just tables of data. And today's example, I'm going to make a relational database out of just this Excel workbook. It has 4 tabs, and each Excel tab is going to become a database table. So the first row is just the name of each column, and then the first column of each table is going to be IDs for each row. And then the powerful thing you can do in a relational database is you can have like a column customer ID in one table that refers back to the rows of another table. And in Ultorg, we have connected to the same spreadsheet. I'm looking at the data from the customers table. What I can do is I can do this database operation called a join to correlate the customers and the customer interactions table on this customer ID field. And that allows me to see for each customer all of the interactions, all the meetings, all the emails I've had with each customer. And I can do things like do a sorting here to show me customers I haven't been in touch with for a while up first. Maybe I also want to show the email addresses. They are coming from a different table because each customer could potentially have more than one email address, like Margaret Peacock there. There is also a company ID field, which I will join in so we can see the name of each company rather than just the ID. Now that I'm seeing all this data, I could go in and I could make edits from Ultorg. I could decide maybe I have a meeting with Ava, and it's a meeting today, and it was a very nice meeting. Maybe I assign Ava a entry in the company. She works for Big Corp. And as soon as I apply these edits, I have to close the file in Excel first. I apply it. Now Ava disappears to the bottom of the list because I've just been in touch with her.